Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Numerical ability. There will be a practice problem for you to work on. What is the next number in the following series? 2, 6, 14, 30, 62, blank. First, look at the differences between each pair of numbers. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 30 minus 14 equals 16. 62 minus 30 equals 32. So the difference pattern is 4, 8, 16, 32. Now look at the differences closely. Each difference is multiplied by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. 32 times 2 equals 64. To find the missing number, add the next difference to the last number in the series. 62 plus 64 equals 126. Now you have 1 minute to solve this. Drop your answer in the comment section.